Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making some shrimp and grits. So let's get started. These are all the ingredients that you're gonna need. Look down here. Okay, so we're gonna need some shrimp, of course. I already peeled them and deveined them. I always use this to make my shrimp and grits because it's easier this way. All you have to do is just follow the directions on the back of the packet. And this is a Louisiana fish fry product, Cajun etouffee base. So that's all you need for that. You need butter for this. Okay, so also we have our andouille sausage that I already chopped up and some onions, green onions to just garnish with, okay? So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start off by cooking our sausage first. Get this turned on. I'll put a little bit of olive oil in the skillet to get started. We're gonna start off, like I said, cooking the sausage first. Just put the sausage in there. We're gonna cook them, and then we're gonna flip them over. I need a spatula. Okay, so we're just gonna cook them and then we're gonna flip them over and then we're gonna cook our sausage. We're gonna cook our shrimp next. So let's get this going. Okay, now that the sausage have been cooked, we're just gonna set them to the side and we're gonna cook the shrimp. Okay, we're gonna cook the shrimp. We're not gonna cook them too long. Just enough to get them a little bit done, and then we're going to start with our etouffee. Okay, now that our shrimp are done, we're going to take that off and put it to the side with the grits. With the sausage. Okay, now we're going to put this back down. We're going to put our butter. You want 4 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt down. You're going to need 2 cups of water. So I'm going to use 4 cups. I'm using 2 packets. I got my water here. Heat my grits up a little bit. Butter. Make sure you melt the butter good. Okay. Take me a wooden spatula. I'll put my etouffee mix in there. Okay. Just pour it in there like that. Get the other one. Do the same thing. Open it. So I just basically doubled my recipe. That's all I did was double the recipe. Stir that up a little bit. That's going to make kind of a gravy, a roux type gravy. Then you just pour your water in. a little bit at a time. You don't want to get clumpy. You want to turn up your heat. I may not use as much water as the recipe calls for because I want to be kind of thick. Turn my grits off. Turn the heat up. Once this gets hot enough, it's going to start loosening up. Okay, so now what I've got it to the consistency that I want, I'm going to add some tomato paste because I like mine to look red. So I'm going to add some tomato paste, 2 big, maybe 3, 4 teaspoons of it. I've never used a whole can of tomato paste and it just goes to waste. But that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Sometimes. Bees that way sometimes. As we used to say back in the 80s, in the 90s. Bees that way sometimes. All right, so this is looking good. I'm gonna add the final bit of water. Now it's turning red, the way I like it. Bees that way sometimes. Bees that way sometimes. Oh, I already add the rest of the water. Get your whisk and just keep stirring and whisking away. On the heat, I turn the heat down to medium. Okay, now I'm ready to add back in my shrimp and my sausage. Okay, take that spoon, use this one. Stir that all together. And we're gonna plate this bad boy up. That looks so good. Okay, we're gonna plate her up. So I plated this bad boy up and now I'm ready to garnish it. With some onions. And there you go. Shrimp and grits. Sunday breakfast, Sunday brunch.